Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and a warm welcome. Or we say in Spanish, bienvenidos. Bienvenidos means most welcome or warm welcome. I wish you all the best for success on your journey into this splendid language. Let's begin. A good place is to start with the word hello, which means hola. Hello means hola in Spanish. Whenever you see someone or you talk to someone, you say hola. You begin the talk with hola. Like you say hello, how are you? You say hola. Then you say the Spanish version of how are you, which I will be teaching you later. So hello, hola. You can hear that the initial H is silent. The initial H is silent. You don't say hola, you say hola. The next word is I, which in Spanish means yo. It's yo, yo. The Y in yo is pronounced as similar to English, but with a hint of J. So we say yo, which means I. The next word, like if we say I am, then we will say yo soy. What? Yo soy. Yo soy means I am, or simply we say soy for I am. Wherever we want to emphasize something, we want to emphasize ourselves particularly, then we say yo soy, the whole. Otherwise we can say soy means I am. So how do you say I am Peter? You would say yo soy Peter, or simply soy Peter. Like I am Abhishek, so I will say when I meet you or see someone, or I will introduce myself to someone, I will say hola, soy Abhishek. Hola, soy Abhishek. Now how you say? You will say hola, soy, and then followed by your name. Like you are Jessica, so you will say hola, soy Jessica. Like you are Raghav, so you will say hola, soy Raghav. So whenever you will have to say your name and you are meeting that person first time, or wherever you are introducing or initiating the talk, you will say hola, soy, and then followed by your name. So hola means hello, yo means I, soy means I am. So you can easily initiate the talk with this in Spanish.